going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to Shooting a Shave. The items for today's shave were kindly sent to me from Matti Lindholm, a fellow YouTuber, wet shaver, and friend. The soap I'm going to be using is the Swedish Witch. It's an unscented, vegan-based shaving soap. And the brush that I'm going to be using today is my RazoRock Bruce. Nice synthetic brush. The soap is a hard soap. I'm going to go ahead and get a load in it. I've heard nothing but good things about this shaving soap. This is the first time that I'm using it, so I'm really excited to get to try it. Okay, I'm locked and loaded here. Got a ton of excess cream here that I can put on the face. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and get lathered up here for the first pass. The artisan who makes this soap, her name is Sarah Lindström. She started making soaps about 5 years ago. She doesn't have a website, so her soaps are available on Facebook. If you look up the Swedish Witch, I'll also leave a link in the description below, but if you look up the Swedish Witch on Facebook, send her a message, you could probably pick up one of her soaps. So the soap feels like it's pretty thirsty, feels like it can take a lot of water. Looks like a really nice lather so far. I'm just going to go ahead and continue to build this up here. Razor today is going to be the CV Heljestrand, or Carl Victor Heljestrand. We're going to go first pass here. The edge feels very nice. Matti homed the razor up himself. He also makes brushes too in his spare time. Yeah, very nice edge, very smooth. So let me tell you a little bit more about the Swedish Witch. Like I said before, she's been making soap for 5 years. She also offers soaping classes for beginners who are just getting into soaping. She is from Sweden herself. And I believe she has other soaps available that have scents in them, or that are scented, excuse me. This soap is very nice. Offers a lot of cushion. Its slickness is decent. I'm going to go ahead and rinse up and we'll come back for the second pass. Alright, here we are for the second pass here. Soap has very nice residual slickness too after I rinsed off. Excellent residual slickness. If you add a little bit of water, you can do easily a couple of passes without any lather there. That looks good. So these razors have been around for a very long time. Carl Victor was born in 1816. After he obtained a scholarship, he went to Sheffield, England for 2 years and got a job in a knife factory. And then he moved back to Sweden and started making forks, straight razors, corkscrews, and other items. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and lather up here for the cleanup. This is a very, 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 very nice soap. I do like that it's unscented, because then I could use any aftershave splash I want. I do wonder if these soaps are triple milled. It's pretty hard, and it looks like that it's going to last me quite a while. It has that triple milled feel to it when I pick it up and hold it. Alright, here we go for the cleanup. So I hope everyone is doing well. Hope everybody's having a nice weekend. I have the meetup tomorrow. By the time I post this, the meetup will be over. I'm really, really looking forward to it. It's going to be a lot of fun. I think last I checked, I think I was telling you my last video, there was like 43 people going. There might be a few more going now since since last time. All right, I'm finished up here. Very, very, very nice shave. So I'm going to finish off the shave today with Hega Aftershave Splash. This is a nice citrus and cedarwood scent. I was advised to use a very small amount of this splash because it can be tacky. Oh yeah, man, very, very nice scent. So I want to say a real big thank you to Matti Lindholm for sending me all this stuff. I really, really appreciate it. It means a lot to me. Recap of what I went with today was the Swedish Witch. Very, very nice soap. Highly recommended if you don't have it in your den. The razor today was a CV Heljestrand. Very nice straight razor. Brush was the RazoRock Bruce. And last but not least, the splash, and that was Hega. That's going to conclude this video. I'll see you guys again soon for another shave. Everyone have a great weekend. Stay safe. See you again soon. Take care.